In the modern world, the lines between strength and resilience has been blurred. Here's the reality. The essence of true masculinity has been diluted. This has been done to keep society docile, reliant on the system, and thus easily manipulated. Men, it's time to reforge your spirit in the flames of the ancient warrior ethos. Let's start with the primal skill, the art of combat. Number 1, fighting skills. In the realms of the old, a man's worth was measured not by words, but by his ability to stand his ground. Picture this. You're walking down an alley with loved ones. The air is thick with menace, and a threat looms. Your heart races, but your training takes over. Fighting is not about seeking conflict. It's about being a fortress in the storm, a protector. Whether it's mastering a martial art or honing your physical prowess, the ability to defend is a silent oath you make with those you love. But where does one begin? Seek out a local gym that offers classes in boxing, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or Krav Maga. These martial arts are not just about throwing punches. They teach discipline, respect, and the tactical mindset to assess and respond to threats effectively. Remember, the goal is not to become an aggressor, but a guardian, a shield against the chaos. Every jab you throw, every block you master, is a step towards reclaiming the warrior within. Number 2, survival skills. In the harshness of the wilderness, a man's true strength is often revealed. It's not just about enduring, but thriving in the face of adversity. Imagine the grid goes down, or you find yourself stranded in the wild. Situations where the modern comforts are stripped away, leaving you face to face with nature. This is where your survival skills shine, not just as techniques, but as testaments to your adaptability and resilience. From starting a fire without matches to navigating by the stars, these skills connect you to the ancestral legacy of man versus wild. But where does one master these skills? YouTube is a good starting point to acquire knowledge, but to develop the practical skills, consider enrolling in a survivalist course. Organizations like the National Outdoor Leadership School or local survival camps offer comprehensive training that covers essential skills such as shelter building, water purification, and wilderness first aid. These courses don't just teach you to survive, they reforge your bond with nature and awaken instincts long dulled by city lights. Each knot you tie, each fire you spark, is a step towards becoming not just a survivor, but a conqueror of the wilds. Number 3, business skills. Every man should master the art of doing business, not just to earn, but to conquer. In the battleground of commerce, a sharp mind is your mightiest weapon. Business acumen is not inherited. It's built, one decision at a time. It's about understanding the market, identifying opportunities and capitalizing on them before others even notice the gap. Let's demystify this with a practical example, the vending machine business. It might sound simple, but this venture encapsulates the essence of business: investment, strategy, and profit. Start by researching busy locations thirsty for convenience. Malls, offices, or gyms. Invest in a quality vending machine. But don't stop there. Monitor which items sell the most. Optimize your inventory and scale. From one machine, expand to 10, then 100, each one a node in your growing empire of passive income. But remember, a true warrior of Odin doesn't just stop at earning. He reinvests, innovates, and scales. Your vending machine empire could be the first step toward a broader portfolio of businesses. It's not just about running a business. It's about leading an empire, with each profit turning the gears of a larger machine. Number 4, time management. Mastering time is as crucial as wielding a sword in battle. Ideally, your 20s are the forge where you hammer out your path to success, a time of singular focus and relentless pursuit. But as you step into your 30s, the battlefield changes. Now, you must be a strategist, a master of time management, balancing the roles of a husband, father, and friend while maintaining your drive for work requires the skill of a seasoned commander. Here's the wisdom of the ancients. Prioritize and compartmentalize. Allocate specific times for your family, your career, and your social life. This isn't just about being disciplined. It's about being present in every moment. When you're with your family, be entirely there. At work, let your focus be unyielding. And with friends, be genuinely engaged. Remember, a true leader knows that time is a resource more valuable than gold. It's the one thing you can't earn back. Use it wisely, and you'll lead a life that's not just successful, but fulfilling on all fronts. Number 5, emotional intelligence. Every man should have a handle on his emotions. Why? Because mastery over your inner world is the true mark of a warrior. Emotional intelligence isn't about being soft. It's about being strong in ways that matter. In a world that constantly tests your mettle, understanding and controlling your emotions is not just smart, it's essential. Here's why. A man who knows his own mind is a man who can conquer any battlefield, whether it's in the boardroom or in personal relationships. Learn to read the room, to lead, to resolve conflicts, be the man others look up to. Remember, emotional intelligence isn't about shedding your strength. It's about channeling it. Be the man who stands firm, who understands himself and those around him, and who navigates life's storms with the calm of a seasoned captain. Number 6, crafting skills. Every man should possess the skill to create, to bring forth something from nothing. It's not merely about the end product. It's about the journey, the patience, precision. To be a man of Odin is to be a creator, a protector, and a relentless learner. Embrace the journey of crafting and let your hands shape the world as your will shapes your destiny. This translates to modern life. Picture your home, each corner a testament to your skill and sweat. Be it fixing a leak, building a shelter, or crafting a keepsake. These are the silent tales of your perseverance and ingenuity. You're not just repairing or creating, you're echoing the ancestral legacy of those who built the world from the ground up. Side note, your wife will love this side of you.
Shut your face.
A woman's heart knows the silent power of a man who shapes his world with his hands. Witness the spark in her eyes when your strength turns chaos into order. If you want to level up in life, join the Fjord of Odin. Subscribe and show some love. Until next time, Skala.